Hi, it's your witch from Cleveland. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm walking down here with my boys on the path right behind the lake here. You can see the lake right there. And this is a little pathway that goes a little bit above it. It's just a nice, fun area to walk. It does. Oh, honeysuckle. I love honeysuckle. Lots of great stuff up here. Just wanted to share today. I haven't been online because I've been running around with my son and enjoying some stuff. But I will be doing my readings, continue my readings from Women Who Run with Wolves very, very soon. And probably tonight I might. And just, get out there and try to be just enjoying walking nature right now. And I don't know what those are. Those were pretty. These berries. If you guys know what those are, comment down below and let me know what they are. I appreciate it. Oh, look at that. She's really turning it up. We've had storms for the past 3 days, so. But I just came back from my trip to California. I think I shared some of my trip on my Instagram, my pictures and stuff. If you want to go over to Isabeau on Instagram and check it out. Yeah, so let you enjoy some of this. I don't know where my boys went, but I'm gonna keep walking, and I will see you guys later. Peace and love, my brothers and sisters. Blessed be. Bye.